Hi, this screen recording is to show you how to save your files to Google Drive if you're not using a computer that's yours. So in a previous professional development time that we had together, I showed you how to move your files, and that the best way to move them is to download Google Drive for your desktop and move your files from your H drive to Google Drive. Well, chances are that you're not able to always be on the computer where you downloaded Google Drive in order to access your files. So I want to show you how to upload and retrieve your files from the Google Drive web interface. So you're going to go to Google Drive, and I'm here. The address is https://drive.google.com/a/scarboroughschools.org. You may already have this bookmarked right up at the top or one of your tabs. When you log into Google using your school account, you can see I'm logged in right here using my school account, and you go to the grid. So if I was on Google, let me show you this. And I go to the grid, then I can get to Google Drive. So again, another way to get to your Google Drive is go to google.com, make sure you're logged in the top right using your Scarborough account, and go to the grid and find Google Drive. Okay, so I've created something that is a Word document, or it could be a PowerPoint, pretty much anything, and I saved it on my desktop. Let me show you for a minute. My desktop looks a little different than yours, but I'm going to use this practice document that I'm circling right here, and I'm going to upload that to Google Drive. Notice I saved it first to the desktop, and now I'm going to upload it to Google Drive. So here we are, and I'm going to go to the upload button here, which is the arrow, and it has a line underneath it. Select upload file because it's one file, not a folder, and I'm going to navigate to my desktop because that's where I saved my practice document, and I'm going to find my practice document. There it is. Open that up, and here are my upload settings, and it's going to start my upload. And you can see it's uploading 100%. It's all done. What I actually had it do was convert it to a Google Doc so that when I open it, I can edit it right away in Google Docs, but not in Word. I'm going to show you another way to, I'm going to show you the upload again, and if you don't want it in Google Docs, what you can do with your settings. So I just did upload, and now again I'm navigating to my desktop, and I'm going to go to, again, practice, open, and this time I don't want to convert it. I want to have it in Microsoft Word. And I'm going to start my upload. It's uploading, and there it is, right here in my Google Drive. Okay, so that's how you're going to upload a document or a PowerPoint or any file from your desktop to your Google Drive web interface. Let me show you again on my desktop. Here it is. What I want to do when I'm done is I'm done with that file because I already have it saved in my Google Drive. So I'm going to right click on it and delete it. Okay, yes, I want to delete that. Go back to my drive, and let's say I'm ready to work on this document again. Now because this document has the W, that means it's saved in Microsoft Word. So if I want to work on that, I'm going to open it up, click on it. This shows the preview of it, and I want to download it, which is in the bottom right. This takes a few steps to do, which can be a little cumbersome. And now I'm going to open my document in the bottom left because it showed a green circle. My green circle was done. I can open my file, and then I can start editing. This Microsoft Word looks a little different from yours. It's 2013 instead of 2010. That's the only difference. So that takes a minute. It'll load up, and I'll be able to enable editing, and then I can work on editing my document again. I would save it in the same way. So, practice, practice. I would save it to my desktop. Save as. Again, this looks a little different. And desktop. And then I would save it there. Okay? And then I have to upload it again to Google Drive. So I'll go back to Drive and upload. Find it. And I don't want to convert it, so I'm going to start my upload. I'm going to see another practice document right here, and it's being stored in Google Drive. So the steps that we went through were we created a document, saved it on the desktop, then we went to Google Drive, uploaded it, made sure that it was saved as a Word document. We did not convert it to a Google Doc. And in order to edit it or work on it again, we had to open up the document, press the download button in the bottom right, and it opened up Word for us so that we could enable editing and keep working on it. An alternate route would be to actually create something in Google Docs. I really like doing this, and for most things it works fine. If you have a lot of formatting, Microsoft Word might be better, but I really like creating things in Google Docs. So I just went to Create and Document, and now I'm going to title my document. I'm going to title this Practice, and this is 5/8/14. Okay, so now I can start typing away. And I actually don't have to save it at all. You can see Google is auto saves it. So I can X out of it. Going back to my drive, it's right there. Open it up. There it is. So that's the basics of using a Google Doc. One cool thing, I know you guys add pictures a lot to documents. So I could go Insert Image right from here, and I'm going to search an image. Maybe I want a Google image, and so you can see right here it's searching Google, or I could use life images or stock images. And let's see, Rainbow Dash. I want a Rainbow Dash picture. And here's one. I like this one. I'm going to select it, select, and it's going to pop in. Let's say that's too big. Click on it, drag it downward, make it smaller. Let's say I just want the head. Right click on it, crop image, and drag to what you want to see, and then press enter. Enter. You can also add a border. You could do a nice thick border here that's black. I could change the color to one that matches Rainbow Dash. Let's do red, and I've got a nice little border. So that's a cool trick. Okay, hope that's helpful. Please let me know if you have a question.